Create your own custom Twitch banner with this easy-to-follow tutorial. Create a new canvas in Pixlr Express. Set the name, width, height for a Twitch banner, and background color to your preference. Let's get to designing. Click on Elements. Find a galaxy background to make your banner look sci-fi and immersive. Don't forget to make it fit to screen. Create a new text. Type out the name of your channel. Pixlr allows you to upload your own fonts. Pick one that best suits your channel. Change the color to a gradient to further make the text pop out. Add a solid white shadow to contrast the background, making it easier on the eyes of the viewers. Add additional text to convey more about your Twitch channel, like streaming schedules or special content highlights. Click on Elements again. Add pixel art characters to go along with the banner. And that's it. Your Twitch banner is done. Time to go live.